Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change account name on PayMaya. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to your Maya app, then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then, as you can see under your mobile number, you can create your own personalized username. So this name can be used when sending and receiving money. So tap on Get Started. It also says here you can even add this to your Maya card for a more personal touch. Just type in your preferred name here, and just a reminder that the name that you're gonna set here is permanent, so you cannot change it in the future anymore. So think more about the name that you're going to use before entering it here. Once you have decided, just type it here and tap on Confirm. Then you will receive an OTP, so just enter it here and just tap on Verify. And that's it, you have now successfully set your username on PayMaya. But if you want to change your other registered information to your account, such as your real name or address, according to their support page, you can send them an email at support@maya.ph or send them a message on their official Facebook page at Maya is Everything and at Maya Cares PH. And please take note that you will need to prepare proof of your identity such as valid ID, so be sure to have them ready. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.